In today's video, I'll be showing you how to take a screenshot within Windows. So as you can see, I'm currently in Windows 11, but the methods that I show you in this video will also work in Windows 10. So I will be showing you 3 different ways that you can take a screenshot of your desktop, apps and programs that you have open within Windows. So the first method that I want to show you is using the print screen key on your keyboard. So next to F12, you will see a key that says PRT and then SC. So this is the print screen key, and we can use this to capture our desktop. So if I press the key right now, and then if I open up the start menu and then search for Paint, if I then open up Paint and then go Control and V to then paste the image or screenshot in, or use this button up here that says Paste, you can now see a screenshot of my 2 desktops. So I do currently have 2 screens, 2 monitors, so that's why it's taking a screenshot of both screens. So the next thing that I can do is also open up File Explorer, and if I then put this onto my second screen, but also keep Paint open and then press the key again, the PRTSC key, the print screen key next to F12, and then go back to Paint and go Ctrl V, you can now see that it's taken a screenshot of Paint, which is on my desktop 1, and then File Explorer, which is on my desktop 2, my second screen. So we can also hold down the Windows key and then also press Print Screen as well. So I'm now going to also open up Notepad. And now that I've opened up Notepad, I'm just going to actually type in a bit of text there. And then I'm going to now hold down the Windows key and then press Print Screen. You might have noticed that the screen kind of flickered, went a bit dark and then went bright again. That means that it's taken the print screen, the screenshot. If I go back to Paint and go Ctrl V, you can now see that it's taken a screenshot of, again, both my screens. So the next thing that I want to show you, the next way of taking screenshots within Windows 11 and Windows 10 is the snipping tool. So I actually really like the snipping tool. I find it very, very handy. So we can open this by clicking on the start menu icon and then typing in snipping tool. You then need to click onto snipping tool. So this is what the snipping tool looks like. You can also open this by pressing the Windows key Shift and S as well. So if I just close that down for a second, along the top there, you might have noticed if I then do that again, that it comes up with the snipping tool at the top here as well. So I actually prefer just opening up the program itself by opening up the start menu and then, like I said, typing in snipping tool and then using the window. So we have different ways of capturing our desktop using the snipping tool. So if you click onto this option here, snipping mode, you will see we've got rectangular mode, window mode, full screen mode and then freeform mode. So the first option I'm going to show you is the rectangle mode. This is my favourite mode for taking quick snippets of my desktop. So I'm going to use Notepad as the example. If I click on New, I can then select around Notepad and it's then taken a screenshot of that. I can then go into Paint and then go Ctrl V and you can see there's the screenshot that it just took. If I then go back to the snipping tool and go to New, this time I'm going to select the freeform and I'm just going to simply go around like that and you can see it's just selected the area on which I selected. I can also go back to the snipping tool, so I'm just going to go back to New, and up the top here we then have Window Snip. So what this is going to do is capture the window that you currently have open that you choose. So I've got Notepad open. If I select that, that's now only highlighted. If I then click, it's only captured the notepad. Another thing that you can do is also click onto this clock icon, which will delay the snip. So I'm just going to close this down and open it again. If I change the delay, so I'm going to click on no delay and change it to 3 seconds. And I'm just going to change this back to, let's go with full screen mode. If I then go new, I've got to then wait a few seconds and then you can see it took the capture. If I then close this back down and open it up again. If I then change this to rectangular mode and then change the delay to 5 seconds and go new, you can see it's not currently doing anything. and then give it a few more seconds. There we go. It's now gone into the snip mode, and I can simply select what I want to take a screenshot of. So that's very handy if you've got something that you need to quickly open so you're not ready to take the snip yet. So for example, if I go onto it again, so let's change it to 3 seconds and go no, I want to quickly open up the system tray up arrow. There we go, and now I can do it. But if I was to take that snip before, I wouldn't have been able to open that because it would have just closed. So that's a really handy feature, that being able to delay the screenshot. Another way you can take screenshots within Windows is using the game bar. So the first thing that I want to do is open up File Explorer and then go to my videos folder and then captures. If I now hold down the Windows key, Alt and then print screen, you can see it says screenshots saved. It might not show you that because the Xbox game bar overlay doesn't show when recording. But if I go onto here, you can see that it's captured the current window that I have open. So again, if I then go to Notepad and then go Windows key, Alt and then print screen, it's now taken a screenshot of Notepad. So that does now bring me to the end of this video. I hope this video helped you out and you enjoyed it. If you did like the video, click the like button below. And if you'd like to see more computer sluggish videos, then click that subscribe button. If you do subscribe, then I will see you in the next video.